Hi everyone, Majeed Akhtar here, Realtor with Keller Williams Southwest, right here in Sugarland. Talking to you from my home office, very humble presence here, and I'm flabbergasted with all these doomsayers. Oh, the big flood bloodbath is coming, and there'll be 70-80% foreclosures, and everybody will be in such a bad shape. Get out of here. What you're doing is just increasing your watch rate, the C number on YouTube, and nothing else. You are far, far, far from what actually is happening. Here's what actually is happening. Yeah, we are in the beginning of recession. Recession is here for sure. We still don't have enough supply. That's another fact. Prices are normalizing, which is excellent news for the first time buyers and for millennials who want to start a life. Okay, those speculators are now a little bit far because they don't see a weekly hike in price, or a monthly hike in price. That's where they were putting their money, so that okay, I'm buying for 500,000, it will be 550 within a month or so. That is gone, which is good for common American. Okay, so now we can talk about the basic American dream. We can talk about buying and selling houses. That's what I'm talking about. And that's happening now. Now, as far as interest rates, yeah, they are like, there is a lot of talk about it. And oh man, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Find a house, which is a reasonably priced house, nice house for your family. All right. And just stay there and refi within 2-3 years, when the rates get better, just lock them up. That's what we all did during COVID years, when there were general lockdown and we had nothing to do. The banks became very active. And what we were all doing? Refinancing our houses, and reduced our payments from $200-300 to $500 and $600 and $800 in some cases. And now we're sitting on those houses and we're happy. Same thing with you guys. If you haven't bought, now the prices are normalizing. Go out, look for a nice house, get it, and refi it whenever a good time comes. Time is right now for first-time buyers, for downsizers, for ones who are looking for a bigger house, or the millennials who want to start their fabulous life. Time is right now. And my phone number is here, 346-707-0616, Majeed Akhtar again. And I'll come back with another video within a week or so. Thank you so much and have a very blessed day.